Look, that's the Philips clock, a big wall clock. Look, and here in front of that is Mr. Philips, here in Eindhoven, the founder of Philips Lighting. So come and join us. Look, this is Mr. Gerald Philips. I want to introduce you. This is his statue in front of the Philips wall clock. And Mr. Gerald Philips actually they built the Philips Lighting or the Philips things with his father.
You can go in there. Can you walk? Look, you can go walk through Mr. Philips. What's his name? He's the founder. He's the founder of Philips. Look, show you guys that this is back. See? It's so big and so huge. Look. Wow. Look at him. And there's my chopping spins out from him. Look. Pity because they have sun. Oh, you know. See, Mr. Philips. Look, this is all Philips before, and Homan is well known for being Philips, 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 Philips. And there's the big clock over there behind it is Philips. But now everything is taking over. Ayan, with a highways building na. Look, and there's all the factory here before, but now it's also a school. Yeah. So look. So this is the Gerald Philips. See, that's the founder. Yeah. Look at this. He died 1942, 1858 to 1942. May 15, 1891, he baked the fabric of Philips. See? Wow, ah. So that's him, Mr. Gerald Philips.
So here again I am in front of the Philips wall clock. Thank you for watching, guys.